Imagine stepping back in time 40,000 years ago. Europe and Asia are a tapestry of icy plains and dense forests. The air is filled with the sounds of creatures long gone, and among them walks a being both familiar and strange, the Neanderthal. For centuries, these archaic humans were shrouded in mystery, often depicted as brutish cave dwellers. But what if I told you that within your very cells, whispers of their existence still linger? What if some of your most remarkable traits, your resilience, your ingenuity, even your sleep patterns, are echoes of their legacy? The more we uncover about Neanderthals, the more we realize how closely intertwined our stories truly are. They were not merely a separate species that vanished into the mists of time. They were our kin, our ancestors, and their DNA lives on within us. It's a legacy etched in our genes, a testament to the enduring power of our shared past. In this journey of discovery, we'll delve into the fascinating world of Neanderthal genetics and uncover the surprising ways they continue to shape who we are today. This isn't just a tale of ancient history, it's a journey into the very essence of what makes us human. It's about understanding the forces that have molded our species, the trials that tested us, and the adaptations that allowed us to thrive. So, prepare to embark on an extraordinary adventure, a journey into our deep past to unlock the secrets of our present and perhaps even catch a glimpse of our future. Let's unravel the mysteries of Neanderthal DNA and discover the superpowers they bestowed upon us. The story of Neanderthals is one of remarkable encounters and intermingling. It's a story written in the very language of our DNA. Today, most humans outside of Africa carry a small but significant percentage of Neanderthal DNA, a legacy of ancient encounters between our ancestors. This genetic inheritance is a testament to the interconnectedness of human history, a reminder that our past is never truly behind us. But how did this genetic exchange come about? The answer lies in the movements of early humans. As modern humans migrated out of Africa, they encountered Neanderthals who had already been living in Europe and Asia for millennia. These encounters weren't always peaceful, but they did lead to interbreeding, leaving a lasting mark on the human genome. The discovery of Neanderthal DNA within us has revolutionized our understanding of human evolution. It tells us that our ancestors were not isolated groups, but part of a complex web of interactions and interbreeding. This mixing of genes has had a profound impact on our species, shaping our immunity, our adaptation to different environments, and even our susceptibility to certain diseases. Imagine carrying within you the echoes of these ancient encounters, the whispers of genes passed down through generations. It's a humbling thought, a reminder that we are all connected by the threads of our shared history. The Neanderthal legacy within us is a treasure trove of information, offering insights into our past and providing clues about our present and future. One of the most fascinating aspects of Neanderthal inheritance is its impact on our immune system. Neanderthals, having adapted to the challenging environments of Ice Age Europe and Asia, possessed robust immune systems. This resilience was passed down to modern humans through interbreeding, leaving a lasting impact on our ability to fight off infections. Some of the genes we inherited from Neanderthals are involved in the innate immune response, the body's first line of defense against pathogens. These genes helped our ancestors combat the new and unfamiliar pathogens they encountered as they migrated out of Africa and into Neanderthal territory. For example, a study published in the journal Science found that certain Neanderthal genes are associated with a stronger immune response to viral infections. This suggests that our Neanderthal ancestors may have equipped us with the genetic tools to fight off viruses that were common in their time. So, the next time you shake off a cold or flu with surprising ease, you might want to thank your Neanderthal ancestors. Their genetic legacy continues to bolster our immune systems, providing a protective shield against the constant assault of pathogens in our environment. Neanderthals were masters of survival, thriving in challenging environments for hundreds of thousands of years. Their adaptability was legendary, and we, their modern human descendants, have inherited some of this resilience through their genes. One notable example is the EPAS1 gene, a variant of which is found in modern Tibetan populations and is associated with adaptation to high altitudes. This gene, linked to regulating red blood cell production, helps people thrive in low oxygen environments. Interestingly, the Tibetan version of EPAS1 is nearly identical to the one found in Neanderthal DNA, suggesting that this adaptation may have been passed down from our ancient cousins. Beyond high altitudes, Neanderthal genes have also been linked to variations in skin pigmentation and hair texture. These adaptations likely helped Neanderthals survive in the colder, darker climates of Europe and Asia. For instance, lighter skin pigmentation is thought to have aided in vitamin D synthesis in regions with less sunlight. These adaptations, passed down through generations, highlight the remarkable ability of humans to adapt to a wide range of environments. The Neanderthal legacy within us is a testament to the power of natural selection, shaping our species and allowing us to thrive in diverse corners of the planet. Ever wonder why you're a night owl or an early bird? Our sleep patterns, those nightly cycles of rest and rejuvenation, may also bear the imprint of our Neanderthal ancestry. Recent research suggests that Neanderthal genes influence our circadian rhythms, the internal clocks that regulate our sleep-wake cycles. A study published in the journal Current Biology analyzed the genomes of modern humans and found that certain Neanderthal gene variants are associated with being a morning person or an evening person. These findings suggest that our sleep preferences may be influenced by the genetic legacy of our ancient relatives. While the exact mechanisms are still being investigated, it's intriguing to consider how Neanderthal adaptations to different environments and light exposures might have shaped their sleep patterns. These patterns, passed down to us, could be influencing how we experience and interact with the world around us. So the next time you reach for another cup of coffee to power through the afternoon slump, or find yourself most alert in the wee hours of the morning, remember that your sleep patterns might be a subtle reminder of your Neanderthal heritage. The nature of Neanderthal intelligence has long fascinated scientists and the public alike. Were they cognitively inferior to modern humans, as once believed, or did they possess their own unique intellectual strengths? Emerging evidence suggests that Neanderthals were far more sophisticated than previously thought, and their genetic legacy may have influenced our own cognitive abilities. While Neanderthals had larger brains than modern humans, brain size alone does not directly translate to intelligence. Studies have shown that Neanderthal brains were structured differently from ours, with a greater emphasis on visual processing and spatial awareness. This suggests that they may have excelled in tasks requiring visual acuity and spatial reasoning. Intriguingly, some modern humans carry Neanderthal gene variants linked to enhanced memory and learning. While more research is needed to fully understand the cognitive implications of these genes, their presence hints at the possibility that Neanderthals contributed to the diversity of human cognitive abilities. Perhaps our Neanderthal ancestors, with their keen visual perception and spatial skills, bequeathed us a legacy of enhanced cognitive abilities that have shaped our artistic endeavors, problem-solving skills, and capacity for innovation. Neanderthals were renowned for their robust physique, built for survival in harsh environments. They were skilled hunters, capable of taking down large prey, and their physical prowess is evident in their skeletal remains. But did any of this strength and endurance get passed down to modern humans? Research suggests that some of us carry Neanderthal gene variants associated with muscle development and athletic performance. For example, a study published in the journal Molecular Biology and Evolution identified a Neanderthal gene variant linked to increased muscle mass in the legs of modern humans. Another study found that a Neanderthal gene variant is associated with faster sprinting speed. This finding suggests that our Neanderthal ancestors may have possessed genes that contributed to bursts of speed and agility, essential for hunting and survival. These genetic links to physical prowess offer a tantalizing glimpse into the physical capabilities of our Neanderthal ancestors. While we may not be hunting mammoths on the open plains, their legacy might be contributing to our athletic achievements and physical endurance in the modern world. The Neanderthal legacy within us is not limited to a single gene or trait. It's a tapestry woven from a multitude of genetic influences, These influences manifest in subtle and surprising ways, affecting our physical appearance, our health, and even our susceptibility to certain diseases. From hair and eye color to the shape of our noses and the thickness of our hair, Neanderthal genes have contributed to the diversity of human features. Some of us carry Neanderthal gene variants associated with red hair and fair skin, while others might have inherited genes linked to thicker hair or a more prominent brow ridge. These physical traits are a testament to the genetic mixing that occurred between our ancestors and highlight the rich tapestry of human variation. The Neanderthal within us is not a single, uniform entity, but rather a mosaic of genetic influences, shaping our individuality in countless ways. However, it's important to note that the expression of these traits is complex and influenced by a multitude of factors, including our environment, lifestyle, and interactions with other genes. The Neanderthal legacy within us is a fascinating puzzle, and scientists are still piecing together the intricate ways in which these ancient genes influence our lives today. While the Neanderthal legacy within us has bestowed some beneficial traits, it has also left us with a predisposition to certain diseases. This is a reminder that genetic inheritance is a double-edged sword, often carrying both advantages and disadvantages. For instance, some Neanderthal gene variants are associated with an increased risk of developing certain autoimmune disorders, such as Crohn's disease and lupus. These conditions arise when the immune system mistakenly attacks the body's own tissues. Other Neanderthal gene variants have been linked to an increased risk of depression and addiction. While these conditions are complex and influenced by a multitude of factors, the Neanderthal contribution highlights the intricate interplay between our genes and our environment in shaping our health. It's important to note that carrying these gene variants does not guarantee that an individual will develop these diseases. However, understanding these genetic predispositions can provide valuable insights into disease mechanisms and potentially lead to new diagnostic tools and treatment strategies. The Neanderthal story is not just about genes and physical traits. It's also about culture, innovation, and the spark of creativity that defines us as humans. While their genetic legacy lives on within us, Neanderthals also left behind tangible evidence of their ingenuity and cultural sophistication. Archaeological discoveries have revealed that Neanderthals were skilled tool makers, crafting sophisticated tools from stone, bone, and antler. They created cave art, expressing themselves through symbolic representations on cave walls. They buried their dead, suggesting a capacity for abstract thought and perhaps even a belief in the afterlife. These cultural expressions challenged the long-held view of Neanderthals as primitive and cognitively inferior. They were clearly capable of complex thought, innovation, and symbolic behavior. While we may never fully understand the intricacies of their culture, their artifacts offer a glimpse into their world and their capacity for abstract thought. The Neanderthal story is a powerful reminder that the human journey is not a linear progression from simplicity to complexity. It's a story of diverse branches, each with its own unique adaptations, innovations, and expressions of humanity. The discovery of Neanderthal DNA within us has shattered the once clear boundaries between us and them. It has forced us to confront the complexity of our past and to acknowledge the interconnectedness of all human lineages. We now know that our ancestors interacted with Neanderthals, interbred with them, and carried their genes into the present day. This realization has profound implications for how we view ourselves and our place in the world. The Neanderthal legacy within us is a testament to the power of genetic exchange and the enduring influence of our ancestors. It's a reminder that our history is not a straight line, but a tapestry woven from multiple threads, each contributing to the rich fabric of humanity. As we continue to unravel the mysteries of Neanderthal DNA, we gain a deeper appreciation for the complexities of human evolution and the forces that have shaped who we are today. The Neanderthal within us is not a separate entity, but an integral part of our being, a reminder that our past is never truly behind us. The story of Neanderthals is a testament to the enduring power of our shared human heritage. Their genes, woven into the very fabric of our being, continue to influence our lives in remarkable ways, from our immunity and physical traits to our sleep patterns and perhaps even our susceptibility to certain diseases. As we delve deeper into the Neanderthal genome, we uncover a wealth of information about our own species, our evolutionary journey, and the forces that have shaped our present. The Neanderthal within us is not a relic of the past, but a living legacy, a testament to the interconnectedness of all humans. The discovery of Neanderthal DNA within us has revolutionized our understanding of human evolution and challenged long-held assumptions about our past. It has forced us to confront the complexity of our history and to embrace the diversity of human lineages. So the next time you look in the mirror, remember that you are looking at a descendant of both modern humans and Neanderthals, a testament to the enduring legacy of our ancient kin. Their genes, their stories, and their humanity are woven into the very fabric of who we are today. The Neanderthal within us is a reminder that our past is never truly behind us, and that our journey of discovery is far from over.